Moringa powder, derived from the leaves of the Moringa oleifera tree, is a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. This tropical plant, native to South Asia, has been treasured for centuries in traditional medicine systems for its remarkable health benefits. Moringa leaves are naturally rich in essential nutrients, making them a valuable addition to a balanced diet. When dried and ground into a fine powder, moringa leaves become highly concentrated, offering a convenient way to boost your nutrient intake. Moringa powder is an excellent source of various vitamins essential for maintaining overall health and well-being. Derived from the leaves of the Moringa oleifera tree, this superfood has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Its rich nutrient profile makes it a valuable addition to any diet. One notable vitamin is vitamin A, crucial for good vision, immune function, and cell growth. Vitamin A is also important for maintaining healthy skin and mucous membranes, which act as barriers to infections. Consuming foods rich in vitamin A, such as carrots, sweet potatoes, and leafy greens, can significantly improve your overall health. A single serving of moringa powder provides a significant amount of your daily vitamin A requirements, contributing to healthy skin and mucous membranes. Adding moringa powder to your smoothies, soups, or salads is an easy way to boost your vitamin intake. Another vital vitamin found abundantly in moringa powder is vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that helps protect your cells against damage from harmful free radicals. Vitamin C is also known for its role in enhancing iron absorption from plant-based foods, which is crucial for preventing anemia. Vitamin C is also essential for collagen production, wound healing, and boosting the immune system. Collagen is a protein that provides structure to your skin, hair, and nails, keeping them strong and healthy. Including vitamin C-rich foods like bell peppers, strawberries, and citrus fruits in your diet can help maintain youthful skin and overall vitality. Regular consumption of moringa powder can help enhance your body's natural defenses. Incorporating it into your daily routine, along with a balanced diet and regular exercise, can lead to improved energy levels, better immune function, and overall well-being. Embrace the power of moringa and other nutrient-dense foods to support a vibrant, healthy lifestyle. In addition to vitamins, moringa powder boasts an impressive mineral profile, contributing to various bodily functions. This superfood is packed with essential minerals that our bodies need to function optimally every day. Calcium, vital for strong bones and teeth, is found in significant quantities in moringa powder. This mineral is not only crucial for maintaining bone density, but also plays a key role in muscle function and nerve signaling. Adequate calcium intake is particularly important for growing children, pregnant women, and older adults to prevent bone loss. Ensuring sufficient calcium can help reduce the risk of osteoporosis and other bone-related conditions as we age. Iron, another essential mineral, is crucial for red blood cell production and oxygen transportation throughout the body. Without enough iron, our bodies can't produce enough hemoglobin, leading to fatigue and decreased immunity. Moringa powder is a good source of iron, which can help combat iron deficiency anemia, a condition characterized by fatigue, weakness, and pale skin. Regular consumption of moringa can help boost your iron levels naturally. Including moringa powder in your diet can be beneficial for maintaining healthy iron levels. Adding just a spoonful to your daily smoothie or meal can make a significant difference in your overall mineral intake, supporting your health and well-being. Enhancing absorption, getting the most from moringa. Moringa, often referred to as the miracle tree, is packed with nutrients that can significantly benefit your health. While moringa powder is highly nutritious, ensuring optimal absorption of its vitamins and minerals is essential. This means not just consuming moringa, but doing so in a way that maximizes its benefits. Consuming moringa powder with a source of vitamin C, such as citrus fruits or berries, can enhance iron absorption. The vitamin C in these fruits helps to convert the plant-based iron in moringa into a form that is more easily absorbed by the body. Vitamin C converts plant-based iron into a more easily absorbed form by the body. This is particularly important for those who rely on plant-based diets, as iron from plants is generally less bioavailable than iron from animal sources. Additionally, combining moringa powder with healthy fats, like those found in avocados, nuts, and seeds, can improve the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, such as vitamins A and E. These vitamins are crucial for maintaining healthy skin, vision, and immune function. These fats act as carriers, aiding in the transportation and utilization of these essential nutrients. By incorporating these simple strategies, you can ensure that you are getting the most out of your Moringa supplement, making it a powerful addition to your daily health regimen. Moringa in your daily routine. Incorporating Moringa powder into your daily routine is simple and versatile. You can add it to smoothies, shakes, or juices for a nutritional boost. Moringa powder has a slightly earthy taste that blends well with various fruits and vegetables. Another option is to mix Moringa powder with yogurt, oatmeal, or chia seed pudding for a nutritious breakfast or snack. You can also sprinkle Moringa powder over salads, soups, or stews as a flavorful and nutrient-rich topping. Your journey to wellness. Embark on a journey towards better health by exploring the potential benefits of Moringa powder. Research the scientific evidence, consult with your healthcare provider, and consider incorporating this nutrient-rich superfood into your diet. Remember, small changes can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. Take a proactive step towards a healthier and more vibrant you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and wellness journeys.